It is 2018 whenever I have started my first YouTube channel. This is my Sajidz Tech, and in that time I have bought this BOYA M1 microphone, and here still now I am using this one microphone for more than 2 years. And can you guys believe it? It's a cheapest microphone, but still now it served me the qualityful voice too. But I think the voice become too much less improved, but here I'm really impressed with this. And here in this case, now after a lot of time of publishing it, I will unbox it. And here guys, in this video we will review it, specify it, and check the quality too. And here guys, we can see that this is the one and only microphone which is the cheapest and the most qualityful microphone still now, and the most used product too. Because guys, nowadays the popular YouTubers also use this one microphone. This is the BOYA M1. So let's start this review. So this is sajidz and you watching Sajidz Tech. So guys, let's start it. Before just starting this video, there are a bit request from me. If you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe. And if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. So guys, we will just unbox it. So here you can see that this is a box, and here this is from the opening side. So from here I need to just open up it there from here, and here you need to open it, and here under this you will get a leather box. And here guys, if you get this type of leather box, that time it's a correct product. But if you get something like plastic cover, that time it's not the correct product, it's the masterpiece. So here guys, this is the regular real product. And here under this, with that, here you will get one warranty card. This is the warranty card, one menu book here you will get. So I will check it there in here, and don't lose your warranty card because it's really workful, and you know. So I just side it there, and now I will open up it there. In this, here you will get a microphone. So here guys, the wire is too much big, you can use it wherever you want. So I just put it there, and here you will get another thing. This is the kit pack, and here in this what you will get, there have a microphone jack which you can use for the other devices like sound box and others. This is the sheep filter. You will also get this sheep filter. This is the noise filter, you can get as a cotton. And here you will get another thing. This is a battery. So here this is the battery, and here you need it mostly. So we will restructure it. So for that, first of all, here I just take this microphone. This is the speaker part from here, and I will insert this sheep filter. So you can see it, and here you need to insert it carefully so that it will be like that after. And here you will get a clip to insert it here like that, so that you can attach it with your t-shirt or your shirt, whatever, like that. So it's too much hard, so that you can attach it as you wish. So here guys, you will get here a big wire. I don't open up this wire, so I just show you. So from here you need to open up this sides portion from here, not this side. Here you will get two buttons, and one button this is for the camera, another button for the sound. If you want to use this in a DSLR, that time you need to on this camera, but if you want to use it in the smartphone or other device like computer, that time you need to switch it here. So I just open it there. So here from I will twist it, and it will be open from here. And here you will get a battery case is there, and here you need to insert this battery from here. So here guys, this is the battery, and here whenever, remember that the battery have two portion. The level portion must be in this side, and the unlevel portion in this side. So from here we will insert it. So here I just insert this battery here, and I will off it, and it's okay, and they have no any work for you. Now you can use it. Now we will work with this. Now I will show you how you can set up. Here you can, this is the pin of 3.5 mm jack. if your mobile phone has this 3.5mm jack by which you just insert your headphone, from there you can use this 3.5mm jack and it's okay. And if you want to use it in your smartphone, that time just switch it off in this smartphone. But if you want to use it in a camera mode, that time you just on it there. This smartphone switch is available for smartphones and other devices like computer, laptop, desktop, and this camera mode is only available for the DSLR mode. Now we will set up it for our PC so that it will be clear for you. So guys, we are here, and here the voice which you hear, this is from my new microphone, and you can see that this is so much clear. But here you need to do something configuration in your desktop. So for that, here first of all you need to search here something like sound, and here from this is the sound setting in your PC, and from here in the sound you need to go to in this input section, and from here it may be in this font mic, but here you need to select it as a microphone in the Realtek high definition or whatever. And if you don't get it still now, that time click on this troubleshoot, you will fix up. And here you have to remember that whenever you use this in your PC, that time you need to select the camera option from the switch, not the off smartphone, because in the previous I have said that you need to select this smartphone for computer too, but here you need to select this camera option, otherwise it will not work. So here's guys, this is the thing that I want to show to you, that this is the most cheapest microphone, but it's really qualityful and the quality is so awesome. For that reason guys, still now most of the popular YouTuber also use this nowadays too, though it's the cheapest microphone and they have some quality compromisation, but still now a lot of people's using, though there have a lot of much better qualities microphone in this market, but still now a lot of people use it guys. So yes guys, this is the thing that I want to show to you, and here guys, now it's your time whether it's good or bad for you. Now guys, it's your turn. Guys, if you think that this is not suitable for you, that time I request you, please comment me below no, and if you think that it's awesome, that time I request you, please fill up this comment as awesome. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.